Jai Swaminarayan friends. In last two video lecture we have completed the first three function, sine inverse, cos inverse and tan inverse, right? Now in this video lecture we are discussing about the cot function and cot inverse function. Here we draw the graph in board. Look here. Here cot in 11 sines we have already studied about this cot function. Cot is the function from R minus set of k pi such that k belongs to z tends to R. Here in a number line we have subtract this k pi. That means what's the meaning of minus k pi? That means k cot of pi is always 0. At the point of pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, otherwise negative rotation, minus pi, minus 2 pi, minus 3 pi, cot at the 0. Is it clear? That means cot pi 0, that is undefined, not 0, undefined. Cot pi is not possible because cot pi equal to cos pi upon sin pi. Is it clear? Okay, so cos pi is minus 1 but sin pi is 0. So this one is not possible. So we subtract this value or the number line R. Clear? Okay. But this function is here many one and onto. Many one and onto. Many one and onto function. Is that clear? Okay. Look here, exactly your graph here. In last video lecture we have completed the tan function. So tan function graph is this one. We draw the graph here 0 and here. This one is a pi by 2, right? And this one say here minus pi by 2. And we draw the graph, that is. We have already studied in 11 sines, tan is the increasing function on each and every quadrant. So cot is the reciprocal of tan. Therefore cot is the decreasing function on each and every quadrant. Clear? Okay. So now we draw the tan graph, cot graph 0, pi, 2 pi. Here we select the interval, open interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Is that clear? Minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Then we draw the here 3 pi by 2 and again here intersection point pi. Here, that is. Now here graph the intersect on the x axis. Cot pi by 2 0. Cot 3 pi by 2 0. On the x axis whenever graph is intersect, at that point the function of the value is 0. So cot pi by 2, cot 3 pi by 2, cot minus pi by 2, cot minus 3 pi by 2 is 0. Is that clear? Okay. So this function is many one and onto. But if we find the inverse function of cot, then we completed the function is 1 1 and onto. Which one? 1 1 and onto. 1 1 and onto. This function is already one onto function is completed. This function cot is already onto, but many one is converted to 1 1 function. Now we select the limited area. You can select 0 to pi, otherwise pi to 2 pi, otherwise left side on the y-axis minus pi to 0, otherwise minus 2 pi to minus pi. But in our textbook this portion is selected. So here select the 0 to pi. Look here, this portion. Open interval. Open interval. Open interval 0 to pi. And we draw this graph only this portion. Clear? Okay. So 0 to pi open interval tends to R. So this function, this portion is only this portion. Not any one. Otherwise you can select this one. Right? Only this one. So function is 1 1 and onto function. So now we find the inverse function of cot is possible. Clear? So cot inverse of the function from interchange the domain and codomain. R tends to open interval 0 to pi. R tends to open interval 0 to pi. Is that clear? Here we draw the function, this one, 0 to pi, first and second quadrant. First quadrant is compulsory. First, in each and every function, first quadrant is common. Is it clear? Okay. Now here we rotate this one is called function graph. Now we rotate the anti-clockwise, right? So at this point pi is on the y-axis, right? Pi by 2 on the y-axis. Okay. Here we start the graph on the y-axis. Now we start the graph here x-axis. This portion. Look here. This function. Okay. Clear? This portion rotate. This one. Clear? So this one cot inverse is the function from R tends to 0 to pi. Okay. Now discuss another one. Suppose this one. This is your cot function x. It is your cot x. Okay. Here 0 to pi. Cot function tends to R. Now this is your cot inverse function. So here R and here 0 to pi. Okay. Now cot x put here in a domain of cot inverse cot x. For the function of cot inverse, this is your x. So we write here cot inverse of cot x. So answer is x. But here we function cot inverse cot x is a function from start here and end from the 0 to pi. So 0 to pi tends to 0 to pi. Okay, so we write here cot inverse cot x equal to answer x, but x belongs to which interval? 0 to pi. Clear? Okay, so you remember it, cot inverse of cot x equal to x, x belongs to 0 to pi. You remember here, if the cot inverse is outside the bracket, here we can here possible. Outside the bracket cot inverse, answer is always in your range. Answer is always in your range of the cot inverse function. Is that clear? So we write our two formula other. We write here other two formula. Cot inverse cot x equal to x and cot of cot inverse x equal to x. Here x belongs to 0 to pi because outside the cot inverse function. So cot inverse range is 0 to pi. Now here outside the cot function and cot function's range is R. So here x belongs to R. Is that clear? Okay. Then we discussed already sine inverse minus x equal to, we write here, minus sine inverse x. We say about this one because sine is the odd function. Exactly similar in tan inverse. Okay. Now second one is discussed already, cos inverse minus x. Then we write here pi minus cos inverse x. Okay. Okay. Cos inverse of minus x equal to pi minus cos inverse x. Exactly similar in cot inverse. Here because interval 0 to pi, we try to understand the value of the first quadrant. We try to convert the value in the first quadrant. So if we write here our sum cot inverse minus x, so we write pi minus cot inverse x because in our first and second quadrant. Is that clear? Okay. So our third formula is cot inverse minus x equal to pi minus cot inverse x. Is that clear? So this is your cot function graph. Is many one and onto, but our limited area 0 to pi. This function is 1 1 and onto our change the domain. Here domain is r minus k pi. Here our domain is 0 to pi. Clear? Codomain is same because function is already onto function. Okay, now this convert the graph on the y-axis 0 to pi and it is called cot inverse. Codomain is the domain and domain is the codomain. Clear? Then we write here three formula. Cot inverse cot x equal to x, where x belongs to 0 to pi. Cot of cot inverse x equal to x, x belongs to r. And if in the sum cot inverse minus x, we write here pi minus cot inverse x. Okay. Now we write the total 6 sum of the cot inverse function. First one, cot inverse root 3. Cot inverse root 3. Table value of the root 3 in a cot. So cot pi by 6. right? Cot pi by 6, cot 30. Tan 60 equal to root 3. Complement is cot 30. Cot inverse cot pi by 6. Answer is pi by 6. So pi by 6 belongs to 0 to pi. First quadrant. All the positive value are in first quadrant. Then second one, cot inverse cot inverse 1. So cot inverse cot pi by 4. Right? So answer is pi by 4 belongs to 0 to pi. Third one, cot inverse 1 by root 3. So cot inverse cot pi by 3, 60 degree. So answer is pi by 3 belongs to 0 to pi. Is that clear? 30 degree, 45 degree and 60 degree all are in first quadrant. Okay. Now we discuss negative value. 3 sum of the negative value. Right? Okay. So cot inverse minus root 3. Cot inverse minus root 3. Look here. Cot inverse minus root 3. That means pi minus cot inverse root 3. Okay. Clear? So pi minus. Then similar as it is before first sum. Cot inverse cot pi by 6. Okay. So pi minus pi by 6. We take LCM cross multiplication. 6 pi minus pi upon 6. So answer is 5 pi by 6 belongs to 0 to pi. Okay. You can also verify your answer is right or wrong. Verify. Our question is cot inverse minus root 3 and final answer is 5 pi by 6. Okay. Now multiply by cot both the side. Cot of cot inverse minus root 3. Multiply cot in both the side. Cot into cot inverse cancel. So minus root 3. Right? Equal to cot 5 pi by 6, that is pi minus pi by 6. Pi minus pi by 6 is 5 pi by 6. Pi minus in which quadrant? Pi minus second quadrant. All is by the rules of all STC. Sine and cosec only positive, other function are negative. So this one is minus cot pi by 6 and minus cot pi by 6 equal to minus root 3. LHS equal to RHS. Is that clear? Okay. So you can verify also in your examination. Now cot inverse minus 1. So pi minus cot inverse 1. So we write here pi minus cot inverse cot pi by 4. Okay. So pi minus pi by 4. Now cross multiplication 4 pi minus pi upon 4. So answer is 3 pi by 4 belongs to 0 to pi. Okay. We write here condition is must. Okay. Now cot inverse minus 1 by root 3. So pi minus cot inverse 1 by root 3 equal to pi minus cot inverse cot pi by 3. Clear? 60 degrees. So pi minus pi by 3. So cross multiplication 3 pi minus pi upon 3. Answer is 2 pi by 3 belongs to 0 to pi. Is that clear? Okay. So we have discussed this function, cot function and cot inverse function and its 6 sum total. Clear? Now we discuss sec inverse and cosec inverse function. Okay. Now we discuss sec function. Sec function is the domain closed interval 0 to pi minus pi by 2 tends to R minus open interval minus 1 to 1. Our cos function is what? 0 to pi tends to minus 1 to 1. Right? Cos function. Sec is the reciprocal of cos. Here 0 and here on the y-axis pi by 2 and pi. This portion. But at this point, cos pi by 2 is 0. In closed interval 0 to pi, cos pi by 2 equal to 0. Now reciprocal of this one is undefined, sec pi by 2 undefined. So here sec is the interval 0 to pi minus pi by 2. That means 0 to pi interval, but we subtract the value of pi by 2 because at this point sec is undefined. Is that clear? Okay. Now our range, cos function range is -1 to 1. Close interval -1 to 1. Right? We here draw the figure. -1 to 1 and here in between 0. Now this value is cancelled. Interval, in this interval portion. This portion is cancelled. So here we draw the number line R. Here we draw the number line R. Minus infinity to infinity. So in between this portion, close interval -1 to 1, and this portion will be cancelled. Cancel this portion. Right? So remaining value is which one? So -1 or smaller than 1 or smaller than. Here we write here. This one says study already 11 science. Our range sum. Sec x is always smaller than 1 or sec x is always greater than or equal to 1. Is that clear? Okay. That means in total number line R minus between the value of open interval -1 to 1. Is that clear? -1 is not cancelled. 1 is not cancelled. Right? So we include the -1 smaller than and 1 or greater than equal to. Is that clear? So that portion will be clear. Okay? Included this portion. -1 to 1 in between this portion is cancelled. Clear? So our sec function's domain is close interval 0 to pi minus pi by 2 tends to R minus open interval -1 to 1. Okay? Here we draw the sec graph. Not confused? I understood. Here we draw the sec graph. Look here carefully. Here is x-axis, y-axis, exactly same cos graph. Here 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi, 5 pi by 2. Here we draw the dotted line because sec pi by 2 infinite, sec 3 pi by 2 infinite, sec 5 pi by 2 infinite. Exactly in same left side, minus pi by 2, minus 3 pi by 2, minus 5 pi by 2. Where we draw the perpendicular line, otherwise parallel to y-axis. Clear? And here maximum 1 and here minimum -1. Here we cancel them between -1 to 1. Right? So we draw the graph sec x is less than or equal to -1, less than or equal to -1. This one. This portion. This one. We draw the dark line. Not necessary, but we only explain it. Okay? So below the -1 and above the 1. Look here. So this portion will be cancelled. This one cancelled. Okay? Clear? So first one is here. This one. Look here. This portion is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Here. Okay. And here this portion is this one. Now here intersection point of this one here. On the x-axis pi and on the y-axis is -1. So this point is called pi minus 1. This point is pi minus 1. Clear? Okay. Now this one, this portion, intersection of this point is 2 pi and 1. So this portion, this point, intersection of point, curve and horizontal line, 2 pi and 1. Clear? Okay. Now this side. Now this side. Here below the graph. So this portion is here minus pi. Here we write, not right here, but we write explain minus pi, and this one -1. So minus pi minus 1. Okay. Then here this portion here -2 pi, because this one is -3 pi by 2 and -2 pi, 5 pi by 2. So in between this point is -2 pi. So -2 pi and here 1. So second quadrant minus plus. So this intersection point is called -2 pi and 1. So here we draw the sec graph. This function is already 1, 1 and onto. Already 1, 1 and onto. So we draw the only this portion 0 to pi. 0 to pi. 0 origin to pi. This portion only. Look here. 0 to pi here. Here. 0 pi. 0 to pi. Only this portion 0 to pi. Here pi by 2 dotted dotted, and this portion here 0, 1, and this portion is here. Okay, 0 minus 1 on the y-axis. Okay, you can write also here pi minus 1. Clear? Okay, this is your sec graph of the limited area 0 to pi minus pi by 2, 0 to pi minus pi by 2. Now convert the rotate of the anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise. Here. Clear? This is your sec inverse graph. Look here. This point on the y-axis. 0, pi by 2 and pi. Pi by 2 dotted line. Okay. This point pi. Here. Clear? Now here this portion on positive y-axis. Now we draw the positive x-axis. And this portion is negative y-axis. So we draw the negative x-axis portion. Here, clear? This portion 0 to 1. Now we are 1, 0, 1, 0. And this portion is here 0 minus 1. So here minus 1 pi. Here, this portion. Clear? This point is minus 1, 0. Okay? 0, 1. And 0 minus 1, so here 1, 0 and minus 1, 0. Is that clear? This is your sec inverse graph. This is your, in a sec function, this is our codomain. Now this is your domain. This is your domain. Now this is your our codomain. Clear? So sec inverse functions codomain, domain is R minus open interval minus 1 to 1 tends to 0 to pi minus pi by 2. Clear? Okay. Now we discuss the sec inverse into sec x. Give an example. Suppose sec inverse x. This is your R minus open interval minus 1 to 1. And here 0 to pi minus pi by 2. Okay. This is your x. This is your sec inverse x. Okay. Now sec x. Okay. So here 0 to pi minus pi by 2. So here sec inverse x. For the sec function, this is your x. So sec of sec inverse x equal to x. So we write here R minus open interval minus 1 to 1. Clear? So we write here sec of sec inverse. Sec of sec inverse is the function from R minus 1 to 1 tends to R minus 1 to 1. Okay, so sec of sec inverse x equal to x, where x belongs to R minus 1 to 1. Is that clear? Okay. Now we write two formula: sec inverse of sec x and sec of sec inverse. Look here. Sec inverse of sec x, answer x. Sec of sec inverse x, again answer x. Here outside the function is sec inverse, so sec inverse range is this one. So answer x belongs to 0 to pi minus pi by 2. And sec of sec inverse outside the function is sec. Sec range is belongs to R minus open interval to minus 1 to 1. Clear? Okay. Our 4 function is already completed. But in 2 function, cos inverse of minus x is we write here pi minus cos inverse x. Cot inverse of minus x we write pi minus cot inverse x. Right? Exactly similar here. Sec inverse of minus x we write here pi minus of sec inverse x, because our 2 quadrant first and second quadrant. Clear? Okay. Now we discuss three sum. First three sum. First one, sec inverse 2 by root 3. Sec inverse 2 by root 3. So sec inverse 2 by root 3. That means sec pi by 6. Answer is pi by 6. Clear? So pi by 6 belongs to 0 to pi minus pi by 2. Is it clear? Okay. Here we do not write here, but you are already explained it. Second one, sec inverse root 2. So sec inverse sec pi by 4. Answer is pi by 4. Pi by 4 belongs to 0 to pi minus pi by 2. Third one, sec inverse 2. So sec inverse sec pi by 3, 60 degree. So answer is pi by 3 belongs to 0 to pi minus pi by 2. Okay. Now fourth sum, 4, 5 and 6 sum. We discuss about this one. Now sec inverse minus 2 by root 3. Sec inverse minus 2 by root 3. That means this one, sec inverse minus x. Pi minus sec inverse x. That means pi minus sec inverse 2 by root 3. So pi minus pi by 6. Cross multiplication. Answer is 5 pi by 6. 5 pi by 6, 150 degree. Belongs to second quadrant. Here, 90 to 180. Okay. Belongs to 0 to pi minus pi by 2. Clear? So sec inverse minus root 2. Pi minus sec inverse root 2. That means pi minus pi by 4. Cross multiplication 4 minus 1. Answer is 3 pi by 4. Belongs to 0 to pi minus pi by 2. Okay. Then sec inverse minus 2. So pi minus sec inverse 2. That means pi minus pi by 3. We take LCM, 3 pi minus pi. Answer is 2 pi by 3 belongs to 0 to pi minus pi by 2. You can also verify sec inverse minus 2 equal to 2 pi by 3. Both sides multiply by sec and verify your answer is minus 2. Is that clear? So we completed the sec function and sec inverse function. Okay. Thank you very much.